Run, made it run, made a race against time. Once I built a railroad, now it's done. Brother, can you look a bear? He's gone now. You know, sometimes, when people start to get a little too chummy with me, don't you know, I call them by the wrong name to let them know I don't honestly care about them. It's 4 in the morning, sometime in September. I'm writing you now, just to see if you're better. Hanover's cold, but I like where I'm living. There's music on 7th Street most of the evening. Do you know Hanover's in France? I had no idea. This whole time I thought I was living in Canada. No, it turns out that's wrong. I'm actually in France. I was quite surprised to learn that, if you can imagine. And so now I have to, I can no longer call French toast. Now I just call it normal toast. Same with French fries. They are just normal fries now. And what led me to the realization that I actually live in France is there's an age-old saying that has been passed down generation to generation. If you go to France, you can see the naked ladies dance. And, well, I see that every day, so clearly I am in France. Oh my lord, what is that? When I was just a little girl, I asked my mother, do you think the yellow, does it, you know, it's a lot of skin. I'm going to have to mesh under it, maybe some armbands or something, but you know, just yellow. When I was just a little girl, I asked my mother, what will I be? Will I be, oh my lord, an obvious distraction right behind you! I don't know, I must be seeing things that look like a giant mongoose. You know, a lot of people wonder, why am I shooting videos in my bathroom? Well, I have a bathroom and here, let me show you my apartment. So I have a bathroom and I have that. So you can either like hang out with the space giraffe and myself in the bathroom, or I can make these fucking videos lying in bed. You know, ideally I would like to have a talk show, but you know, like, fuck you for not being a guest in my videos, you miserable cunts. Is it honestly that hard? All you have to do, really, I need 10 minutes of your day to get myself over, but no, why would you help out your friends? That's such a silly idea. I mean, when I'm a fucking millionaire, I'm going to reward you for helping me get there, but no. Fuck Jesus, let's not help her dreams come true. Double birds, bitches. When I was just a little girl, I asked my mother, what will I be? Will I be pretty? Will I be rich? Here's what she said to me. Will you shut the fuck up? Mama's trying to watch your shows! Insert obvious distraction here. When I'm walking down the lane, the women scream, please come again. Each one gets what I can give her. In any weather, I deliver. I'm your mailman. The other day I was talking to Mabel, and Mabel says to me, he says, well, you see, every morning when I wake up, I look at my reflection for 30 seconds and I ask of myself, what is it going to take for me to be the best that I can be? Seriously, yellow might... It's a lot of skin. I don't actually have cleavage because, I haven't got on. There's one for you. How the hell does GoFundMe work? If I promise everybody that gives me money a picture of my implants, is that all it takes? Like, is there any... Because I'm not a charity, so do I have to claim it on my taxes? Do I even do taxes? When's the last time I did taxes? Oh shit. Seriously though, like I'll send you a selfie of my tits if you'll pay for them. That seems a fair enough price for the whole thing. What were we talking about? Oh, right. So, get to the point too late. Every morning I sit in my shower for an extra 5 minutes and ask of myself, what is it going to take for me to convince myself that this washcloth is really Lauren Graham? Most days I come to a conclusion. Rawr. Still not sure if I like jeans. This whole... There are laws that are beyond our control. We call them science, physics, the natural order of the cosmos themselves. I wear a belt to hold my pants up. My pants have belt loops to hold my belt up. It's modern day sorcery, I say. Will my fingers do, Space Giraffe?